Only the finest, ethically sourced strands make the cut. Our master artisans hand-select each one for strength, shine, and perfect integrity. With meticulous care, our skilled team sorts and grades thousands of premium hairs by hand, guaranteeing flawless length, texture, and consistency every time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Premium, single-donor hair arrives directly from trusted, ethical sources, the foundation of truly luxurious, cuticle-intact extensions. In our state-of-the-art clean room, each ponytail is carefully unboxed and prepared under strict hygiene standards, where uncompromising quality begins. Under expert lighting, our color specialists meticulously match every strand, delivering seamless, undetectable blends that look and feel completely natural. Every detail matters, a testament to the artisan's dedication. This rigorous sorting guarantees exceptional quality for every finished wig. Skilled technicians meticulously prepare each bundle, ensuring readiness for the vital sterilization process. Submerged in a multi-stage chemical bath, the hair undergoes thorough sterilization and cuticle removal. Emerging from the bath, the hair is now sterilized, untangled, and perfectly prepared for the next stage. Our experts meticulously inspect every strand, ensuring flawless quality and durability. The hackling process meticulously untangles, straightens, and blends hair fibers to perfection. Skilled artisans ensure each fiber is perfectly aligned, creating a flawless foundation for the wig. Different shades are expertly blended, achieving the natural multi-tonal look essential for realistic wigs. This precisely prepared hair is now ready for the intricate process of cap construction and ventilation. In the hackling department, skilled hands begin the meticulous art of blending. Their expertise ensures each blend achieves a natural multi-tonal depth. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Every fiber is meticulously aligned, creating the perfect foundation for a natural look. This meticulous process is essential for creating exceptionally realistic wigs. The journey continues as hair bundles receive their precise, vibrant hues. Advanced technology ensures every strand absorbs color uniformly. After precise timing, the perfectly colored hair emerges vibrant and ready. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring color perfection. Precision design begins crafting the perfect foundation for every wig. Every detail is perfected, ensuring comfort and a natural fit. Precision lasers begin their intricate work crafting the foundation for natural-looking wigs. These custom-cut pieces will form breathable, undetectable bases for both men's toupees and women's wigs. Each base is custom engineered for maximum comfort and a truly natural appearance. Here, skilled hands meticulously transform delicate materials into the foundational structure of each unique wig. Every stitch is a testament to the artisan's dedication, forming a secure and custom-fit foundation for the wig. For men's toupees, an ultra-thin skin membrane provides an incredibly natural and undetectable fit. From initial pieces to a complete structure, each cap takes shape through a journey of precision and skillful handwork. Rigorous quality checks ensure every wig meets the highest standards of craftsmanship and natural appearance. From intricate details to overall finish, every element is scrutinized for perfection. In the quiet ventilation room, skilled artisans meticulously hand-tie each strand, a true labor of love. Each wig cap transforms strand by strand into a masterpiece of natural beauty. Skilled artisans meticulously hand-tie each strand, ensuring a natural and breathable wig. This intricate process demands immense precision and steady hands. Thousands of tiny knots create the lifelike density of a finished piece. The dedication of these craftsmen is evident in every hand-tied strand. Modern machines precisely transform hair fibers into durable wefts, a foundational step in wig creation. The machine swiftly stitches individual strands, forming long uniform wefts. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Next, the durable wig cap base is prepared to receive the precisely crafted hair wefts. A specialized sewing machine then expertly attaches the wefts row by row onto the wig cap base. Each strand is a testament to precision, ensuring a flawlessly natural look. Such dedication ensures unparalleled comfort and realism.
Dan.
In the vibrant styling department, skilled artisans prepare each wig for its final personalized touch. Each wig receives individual care, ensuring a perfect finish. Expert hands meticulously craft each layer, ensuring a flawless flow. Every strand sculpted with care, creating beautiful natural movement. The artistry of styling brings each wig to life, ensuring perfect wearability. Skilled artisans meticulously style each hairpiece, ensuring natural perfection. Precision cutting and shaping create a seamless blend with natural hair. Every strand is perfected, ensuring an undetectable, flawless finish. The finished hairpiece ready to transform and restore confidence. American craftsmanship defines quality in every handcrafted wig. Skilled artisans meticulously style each wig, ensuring a flawless finish for every client. From soft waves to sleek styles, every wig is crafted with precision and artistic flair. Each wig undergoes rigorous styling tailored to achieve diverse and beautiful looks. Every strand is rigorously examined, ensuring the highest standards of quality and appearance. Precision styling meets exacting standards, ensuring each wig perfectly matches its design blueprint. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Ready for its owner, a testament to American craftsmanship and unwavering quality. Each handcrafted wig is meticulously prepared for its journey, ensuring its pristine condition upon arrival. Our dedication to quality extends to every detail from creation to presentation. Experience the luxury and craftsmanship of our meticulously prepared wigs. Precision logistics ensure every wig reaches its destination flawlessly. Advanced robotics handle the careful organization of shipments with unparalleled accuracy. Ready for worldwide distribution, each package carries quality and care.